Dear traders, I continue now with the next lecture where I will place the expert advisor. As well, I will attach the expert advisor to this lecture. So after we said that we are in a downtrend, what I do is I go to M15 chart because this is the time frame for the robot, and I will attach the expert advisor to this chart. I will go to file and open data folder. After that, I will select MQL4 and experts. Download the expert advisor from this lecture and paste it in this folder. This is the folder where all expert advisors should be placed. Close the folder and right click over expert advisors. This way you will compile the expert advisor into a trading robot. You will see the expert right in your menu. Before you place it over the chart, make sure that your auto trading is enabled. You should see a green arrow. Double click on the expert advisor and you will see the menu. From inputs, you see all the parameters of the expert advisor, the stop loss, the take profit, the parameter of the indicators, and the magic number is below. In the command menu, you can choose the direction for the trading. I will select only short because we said that we want our expert advisor to trade only with the direction of the major trend. I click on OK and you will see the smiley face on the right up corner, meaning that the expert advisor is already scanning the market and it's scanning it only for the short trades. Let's go to the current price, and once the expert advisor opens a trade, I will place immediately on the other direction the never losing formula to make sure that I will protect the trade if the price goes against me. Alright guys, I will continue the lectures when I have some examples with the system. Thank you for watching. Bye.